Community Redevelopment announced the acquisition of a rental condominium building in Washington, D.C., through its subsidiary Artistry, LLC. Artistry, LLC, an Annapolis company, has a vision of increasing affordable rental housing options in high-growth urban and suburban markets. From Annapolis, Maryland on January 3, 2023, Community Redevelopment, Inc., trading on the OTC Markets Exchange under the symbol CRDV, through its subsidiary Artistry, LLC, acquired 100% ownership interest in a multifamily rental condominium property in Washington, D.C., with an expected appraised value upon completion of over $5 million assigned from Richard Bales in a cash and stock transaction. The property is located at 1618 21st Place with a design total of 15 units and includes 3 3-bedroom, 8 2-bedroom, 4 1-bedroom units. The property is nearing the end of the construction process with an anticipated completion by the end of second quarter 2023. Affordable housing is a national crisis. In Washington, D.C. alone, there are nearly 40,000 families on a waiting list for affordable homes, according to the D.C. Fiscal Policy Institute. As a socially conscious real estate company, we are committed to creating more equitable solutions in the rental housing market while also providing our shareholders stable returns, since affordable housing tends to be more consistent across economic cycles, stated Lara Fritts, CEO of Community Redevelopment. The acquisition of this property continues to increase CRDV's assets and sets Artistry, LLC on course to revenue generation. Artistry provides new and renovated properties that accept Section 8 vouchers in the fast-growing communities of Washington, D.C., and Baltimore. We have at least a dozen more potential projects already identified in the pipeline, and our goal is to substantially increase affordable options throughout the region, shared Richard Bales, president of CRDV. About Community Redevelopment. Community Redevelopment is a publicly traded real estate growth company focused on creating housing for all, with an emphasis on naturally occurring affordable housing. Their objective is to develop sustainable communities that thrive by investing in urban neighborhoods and first-tier suburbs. They work to acquire, develop, redevelop, or create joint ventures with minority and women-led developers, adding additional properties and growing their portfolio steadily over time. CRDV has a first-class team that brings significant combined experience of over 70 years in real estate development, finance, and technology. Visit communityredevelopment.net. Forward-looking statements. This announcement contains forward-looking statements within the meaning of the Safe Harbor provisions of the U.S. Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. Such statements include but are not limited to statements identified by words such as believes, expects, anticipates, estimates, intends, plans, targets, projects, and similar expressions. The statements in this release are based upon the current beliefs and expectations of our company's management and are subject to significant risks and uncertainties. Actual results may differ from those set forth in the forward-looking statements. Numerous factors could cause or contribute to such differences, including, but not limited to, results of clinical trials and/or other studies, the challenges inherent in new product development initiatives, the effect of any competitive products, our ability to license and protect our intellectual property, our ability to raise additional capital in the future that is necessary to maintain our business, changes in government policy and/or regulation, potential litigation by or against us, any governmental review of our products or practices, as well as other risks discussed from time to time in our filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission, including, without limitation, our latest 10-Q report filed on August 29, 2022. We undertake no duty to update any forward-looking statement or any information contained in this press release or in other public disclosures at any time. Finally, the investing public is reminded that the only announcements or information about Community Redevelopment, Inc., which are condoned by the company, must emanate from the company itself and bear our name as its source. Media contact: Elena Beam, Media Consultant. Elena at communityredevelopment.net. Phone 410-224-3500 extension 701. This news release brought to you by Audio News Release, a division of Stock Marketing Inc. Subscribe to Audio News Release now and be the first to know.